Welcome to the Technical Writer module of our IT Jobs series. In this video, we'll explore one of the most critical yet often overlooked roles in the software industry. A technical writer is someone who creates clear, understandable documentation that bridges the gap between complex technical concepts and the people who need to use them. Whether it's user guides for everyday software, detailed API documentation for developers, or comprehensive technical specifications for enterprise systems, technical writers are the backbone of good user experience. Let's dive in and discover what it takes to become an excellent technical writer. A technical writer is a professional who specializes in translating complex technical information into clear, accessible documentation. Think of them as a translator between engineers and users. Technical writers work with software developers, product teams, and stakeholders to understand how products work, then create documentation that helps different audiences use those products effectively. Their job isn't just about writing. It's about understanding the product deeply and presenting information in a way that makes sense to the target audience, whether that's beginners learning the basics or advanced developers integrating with APIs. User guides are step-by-step instructions that help end users accomplish specific tasks with a product or software. They're the most common type of technical documentation you'll encounter. The purpose of a user guide is to enable users to get started quickly without needing to contact customer support. Good user guides provide clear instructions, answer common questions, include troubleshooting steps, and reduce the number of support tickets a company receives. Ultimately, user guides improve user satisfaction and help customers stay loyal to your product because they can solve problems on their own. Creating an effective user guide requires following several key best practices. First, know your audience. Write for beginners, not experts, and avoid unnecessary jargon or explain technical terms clearly when you must use them. Second, use screenshots and visuals. Include numbered screenshots that show exactly where users need to click or what they should see at each step. Third, keep your content scannable using clear headings, bullet points, and short paragraphs so users can quickly find the information they need. Finally, update your guides regularly whenever your product gets new features or changes. Outdated documentation frustrates users more than no documentation at all. A well-structured user guide follows a logical flow that takes users from zero knowledge to complete understanding. Start with an overview section that introduces what the guide covers and lists any prerequisites users might need. Next comes Getting Started, which covers installation and initial setup with step-by-step instructions. The Core Features section is the heart of your guide, providing detailed walkthroughs with screenshots for each major feature the product offers. Finally, end with troubleshooting and a frequently asked section that addresses common problems users face and provides solutions. This structure makes it easy for users to find what they need, whether they're reading from beginning to end or jumping to a specific section. API documentation is technical reference material that explains how to use an application programming interface. An API is essentially a set of rules that allows different software programs to communicate with each other. API documentation tells developers what endpoints are available, what parameters they can send, what responses they'll receive, and how to handle errors. Unlike user guides which target everyday users, API documentation is written for backend developers, front-end developers, and software architects who are technically experienced and need precise, detailed information. Good API documentation is crucial because without it, developers can't integrate your service into their applications, no matter how powerful your API actually is. Creating excellent API documentation requires several essential practices. First, document every endpoint clearly, specifying the HTTP method like GET or POST, the exact URL, all available parameters, and the format of the response. Second, include working code examples in multiple programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and CURL so developers can see exactly how to use your API in their preferred language. Third, thoroughly document error handling by listing all possible error codes, what they mean, and how developers should respond to them. Finally, clearly explain authentication and security, including how to obtain API keys, how OAuth works if you use it, your rate limits, and best practices for keeping API credentials secure. These practices ensure developers can use your API confidently and correctly. A comprehensive API documentation site is organized into sections that guide developers through the integration process. Start with a Getting Started section that explains how to obtain API keys and set up authentication. Next comes the endpoints reference, which is the meat of your documentation. It lists every available endpoint with detailed information about methods, URLs, parameters, and example requests and responses. Include a code examples section with working sample integrations in multiple programming languages. Finally, provide error codes and troubleshooting documentation that explains all possible error responses and how developers should debug common integration problems. This structure helps developers quickly find what they need while they're actively building with your API. Technical documentation is in-depth material that covers architecture, design decisions, system components, and implementation details. This type of documentation is written for developers and engineers who are working with complex software systems and need to understand not just how to use something, but how it works internally. Technical documentation includes architecture and design documentation that explains how systems are built, system requirements and specifications, installation and deployment guides for setting up infrastructure, and code documentation that explains how specific functions and components work. Unlike user guides aimed at end users or API docs focused on integration, technical documentation assumes the reader has significant technical expertise and needs comprehensive, detailed information. Technical writers use a variety of tools to create and manage documentation. For documentation platforms, tools like Confluence, Notion, Gitbook, and Read the Docs provide places to host and organize written content. For API documentation specifically, Swagger and OpenAPI standards, Postman, and Stoplight make it easy to document and test APIs. Content is typically written in markup languages like Markdown, ASCII-Doc, or ray-structured text, which are lightweight and easy to version control. For visual elements, designers use Figma, Canva, or Adobe Creative Suite to create diagrams and graphics. Screenshot tools like Snagit and ShareX help capture clear, annotated images. Finally, most technical writers use Git, GitHub, or GitLab to version control documentation and collaborate with teams. Understanding these tools is essential for any aspiring technical writer. Let's look at real-world examples of technical writing in action. SaaS products like Slack and Stripe need comprehensive user guides for non-technical customers and detailed API documentation for developers integrating their services. Open-source projects on GitHub rely heavily on README files, contribution guides, and API references to help the community understand and contribute to the project. Enterprise software companies create comprehensive technical manuals for IT administrators setting up complex systems in large organizations. Mobile and web apps include in-app help documentation and knowledge bases that provide customer support without requiring users to contact the company. In each case, technical writers play a critical role in making the product accessible and usable to its intended audience. The workflow typically involves collaborating with product teams, understanding the product deeply, writing clear documentation, gathering user feedback, and continuously updating as products evolve. Technical writing opens doors to several exciting career paths. You can work as a dedicated technical writer, creating documentation for software products and platforms. As a developer advocate, you document APIs and educate developers on how to use platform features effectively. Solutions engineers create technical guides customized for enterprise customers with specific needs. Content strategists plan and manage documentation across multiple teams and products. The technical writing field is growing rapidly, because companies increasingly recognize that good documentation directly impacts customer satisfaction and reduces support costs. In summary, clear documentation improves user experience and reduces support burden. User guides, API documentation, and technical documentation serve different audiences with different needs, and technical writers are essential professionals in modern software development. Whether you're interested in helping everyday users or working with developers, technical writing offers a rewarding career path where your work directly impacts how millions of people interact with technology.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.